Oh my gosh, this is breaking news here. We have just dropped below $3 trillion on the total crypto market capital. We have not been this low for 6 months. This is very bad. The last time we were here was literally around May this year. It's been a long time, 6 months since we were this low on market capital. Furthermore, we have seen $180 million liquidated in 1 hour as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP crash even harder. However, guys, this is not just a blockchain thing. This is pretty much everything right now. When we look at the assets ranked globally, we can see here, whether it's metals, ETFs, or crypto or tech, a lot of these large commodities or assets are actually dropping on the day. You've got Amazon down 1%, you've got silver down 1.62%, Nvidia is down 1.5%. Of course, Bitcoin showing a bit more volatility there because it's got a much lower market capital, 2.72% down. But most things are in the red, at least today. So yeah, we can see obviously crypto bubbles reflecting a very red week here in the blockchain space, a very red day as well in the blockchain space. Now it's just how much lower can we go? So in this video, we're just checking out really, crypto and Bitcoin. Of course, it's crashing, and a bit of news, and where could this potentially lead to as well. Remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy in his room. I'm just chatting away, and I'm just having a look at the facts in front of me. I do want to say, if you're new here, please do like, subscribe, and comment down below. And we can see fear and greed sits at 11, which is just crazy. From it seeing fear and greed 11. Usually that's a great buy up opportunity in my own humble opinion, but I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it around these price levels. It doesn't feel like we're at the true bottom for my own personal liking, but who knows? You can see Bitcoin 87.1 just bounced back into the 87K territory. You can see on this 1 month window, it's down 22%, which is quite crazy. 115 down to 87K for Bitcoin. Now it's still, under its 50-week moving average, and it could probably close under here. In 3 days, 7 hours, we'll close this weekly candle. So we do need to start seeing a bit of a pullback to the upside, maybe to about 100K. Otherwise, things will start looking very, very bearish for Bitcoin. And I think, what might happen is we potentially just get a bit of a relief rally, come back up to 50-week moving average. Maybe we get rejected and then start moving down lower. Gradually in time, slowly, maybe not that volatile, it's hard to say. But for me, personally, I'm waiting for that 50-week moving average buy-in opportunity, which could be around $60,000. Of course, I'm not saying that's going to happen, but that's just something I am anticipating and hoping could happen for the sake of, future growth. Because, we want to be here for a long time, not a short time. So Bitcoin looking extremely, weak on the weekly time frame, you could say. Slipped out of that bull market range. Now you can see it's come out of the red logarithmic regression here, and it's definitely showing volatility from its absolute top here of 126K or whatever it was. You can see it is down now 31%, and a lot of people would just be chilling on this because we're used to these 30% corrections. If you're someone that's been in crypto for a while and Bitcoin, you will know that these 30% corrections aren't too daunting. How about for Ethereum? 2.8K now. And for me, Ethereum is actually pretty high, considering just literally in April 2025, it was only 1.5K. So yeah, the perfect entry was clearly 1.4K, which happened around April 2025. But I don't think we're going to get that again. That went below its 200-week moving average. I have no idea what glitch in the system had caused this, but obviously it was a good glitch. And whoever bought in around there is in a good spot. Market lows could be there in theory as low as 1.3K. I don't honestly know, but again, I'd be looking at the 200-week moving average, the yellow line here, for us to break below the yellow line, or at least tap somewhere below the yellow line. So I'm not looking to accumulate anywhere, until we're below 2.4K. My ideal range to accumulate probably is going to be 2 to 1.7K, something like that for Ethereum. And honestly, I'd still like it to go lower than that as well for sheer accumulation. So top to bottom so far, because it did just touch 4.9K, which is crazy. Ethereum has seen 42% on its corrective phase, and I still think it can come back down lower. I think the market lows could be lower for Ethereum as well, ladies and gents. So really crazy market right now. So 2.97 trillion on the market cap here, not too amazing. I do want to say as well, shout out to a lot of the traders in the group. Tillman up nicely, Zen F 132% plus. Join the Discord, it's down below, it's completely free. Ganyu up 3000% on your trades recently. Being is up 1541% on his short position. So please do have a little look at them. The link is down below. You're very, very welcome to join. It's completely free. You can see here, everyone is chatting away. And yeah, I mean, we've got the quiz night happening tomorrow as well. So join in on the fun, on the action. You might as well. You know, like I say, the Discord is fully free to join. Before you go, guys, comment down below. Where do you think Bitcoin bottom will be? Where do you think the Ethereum bottom will be? Do you find this an exciting time in the market? Because I really do think it is quite an interesting place to be in right now. Yeah, like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you very soon. Stay safe out there, folks. Come chat in the Discord. Come say hi.